drive and take a look at the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, wireless charging station. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.